Hey guys, listen, I'm about to walk into our meeting. We're getting ready for the Voice series. It's coming up in just a couple weeks, but Brad doesn't know it. We got a hidden camera. He's really taking this to heart. It's pretty silly, so you ready? Come on. We gotta be quiet.
Nothing will matter if we don't get this. This is the most important part of this series. It's the sound effect. Watch one more time. We'll go over it again. Look, gather around. All right, here we go. Play.
Much higher.
And there's the sound effect I'm going for. You can do this. All right, I'm going to do two things. I'm going to push the button and I'm going to spin around. All I ask is one thing from you guys. Make the noise. Ready? Cheryle, you try this time. And... skadoosh! Skadoosh, Cheryle! Mark, thank you for being here today. The man of sound. You know what I'm talking about. The voice chair.
I got it, yeah.
I mash the button and then everybody hears... boosh. No!
Yeah, that's the sound.
Mark.
I watched the show. You watched the show.
One more time. Little stronger. Boosh. No, higher. Come on.
Okay. It's awkward, but...
Oh, that's not
That's
even.
noise.
Diane, try.
Come on.
Right.
Ready?
I got it. Cha-ching.
Are you insane?
That's it. That's
David, you know what I'm talking about. Ready? Here we go.
boom. What?
Are you serious? Why do y'all hate me so much? Cheryle, you speak four languages. Why is this so hard? Are you crazy?
Oh, and by the way,
Typical staff meeting.